exponential differentiation. Tapos na tayo sa logarithmic differentiation. Ngayon naman, exponential differentiation o yung pagkuha ng derivative ng exponential function. So, dito muna tayo mag-concentrate kasi marami pa tayong pag-aaralan. Medyo mahirap-hirap to. Kung mahirap na yung logarithmic, mas mahirap to. So, yun. No, exponential derivatives or derivatives of exponential functions, pareho lang yan. I-differentiate mo yung mga exponential function. So, part pa rin yun ng differential calculus. I mean, yun lang yun kasi yung exponential is yung reverse ng logarithmic is exponential. So, yun lang po.